guys, I've got this. I've got this. And I've got this. But what are we gonna do with them? Well, it's time to get the junk out of the trunk. Okay guys, remember I said you gotta do something every day. Just do something little. And right now I'm gonna attack the trunk. I'm gonna try to get all of the stuff out. It's got a lot of dirt and debris. I'll go ahead and show you some video of here. We'll show you everything that's in the trunk. I'm gonna remove all of that stuff. I'm gonna have to scrape this stuff around, knock the dirt out, because it's, you know, it's like mud, it's hardened up, it's caked. I'm gonna crack that stuff loose. I'm trying to vacuum up everything that I can, and then we'll go ahead and hit it with a hose or whatever, see what we can spray out of it. I might have to punch a few holes at the bottom to let all that stuff drain out. Hopefully we may put something down. I don't want to get everything all over Troy's trailer, but we'll clean up what we can. Start with this, and then we'll move to the interior. So before we start knocking all the dust and debris out, we got to remove all of this stuff. Cool spare tire, bumper jack. Look, I brought this out to help me scrape stuff. Just don't order a cheeseburger, okay? So we'll go ahead and start grabbing all that stuff out so that we can get to this stuff. Yeah, that's good stuff. I'm gonna wear a mask. You keep going. These are gold. Still has the clip on there. I like that. Fancy radiator out of there. Yeah, fishing pole. Look at that. Sweet. Yeah. Mirror on the wall. Nice. More handles. Marbles, points, trim ring. Sweet bumper jack. So now we can engage the little my little R2 unit that I bought over at the guys at Harbor Freight, so we can vacuum some of this stuff up. This ought to be one heck of a dust storm. Check it out. Okay, so we got one final step, water. Not gonna win any car shows, but man, I can't believe how much better it is. Almost like it was never underwater. Now, if we want, we could take our blower, try this thing off. Looking pretty good. Hey guys, as you can see, I've spent another day playing with Sigmund the sea monster here. That's what I've been calling it internally, but we're still looking for an official name. But Sigmund here has been out playing in the mud at some time in his life, obviously. But today I can tell you, honestly, I was not feeling it. I was not excited about coming out and work on the car, but I told myself, hey, it's a project car. You've got to go out and get something done. Go get one thing done, pick something easy. So I decided, hey, I am going to tackle the trunk today. There's a lot of dirt, there's a lot of debris, but it's certainly something I can get done in a few hours. So armed with things like a spatula, a leaf blower, and our Harbor Freight R2 vacuum cleaner, I was able to tackle the trunk and get it done. Now, after doing the trunk, I'm ready to tackle the interior, but that's going to be another video for another day. But don't worry, it's not all about the Nova. I have plenty of dyno testing coming up. I'm heading down to West Tech. I'm going to rerun the Cadillac 500, because after all, Sigmund needs a new home, or the Cadillac needs a home in Sigmund. I'm going to run a ton of other motors. I've got the Buick, so we're going to try to run the Cadillac and the Buick while I'm down there. But right after that, almost a week after that, I'm headed over to the Guides to See Skunk 2 and do the K24 project. We're going to start off with NA stuff, cams and heads and headers and all kinds of stuff. I'm going to run some turbo stuff, and then we're going to finish up probably in a week or two after that with the big bang stuff on the K24. I want to thank everybody that helped out with the K24 project. If you've sent in money and you want a camshaft in exchange for your money, please make sure to get a hold of me. I'm going to go ahead and post the my email address up here so you guys can get a hold of me. Make sure to send me a note and say, hey, I supplied this. I've sent emails out to everybody, I think, and I have stuff coming out to you guys, so make sure to look for that. Make sure to email and let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for the support. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, do all that stuff, and I will keep the videos coming.